problema mo rin ba ang acne, big pore at saka dark spot? Nako, try this Renhe product na FDA approved. 99 pesos lang yan mga sisi, 170 ml na. This Renhe Oriental Herbal Facial Cleanser na all organic at no harmful chemicals. It contains magnolia bark, chisanda fruit at icomia bark na meron siyang anti-inflammatory at antibacterial. Sabayan mo na rin itong ginseng deep moisturizing hydrating essence. It contains of 10% niacinamide at meron siyang ginseng extract na magpapasoothe ng ating pong skin at saka brightening at whitening. Nagpapa-facelifting din po yan. Kaya maganda rin po ito para masabayan din na mabilis matuyo yung ating pong pimple parts. It penetrates deep into the skin to reshape the skin barrier. It contains nicotinamide, ascorbic acid, glycerin, and lanolin to promote blood circulate and reduce skin redness. This serum is hindi siya malagkit at madaling siyang i-apply. Madali rin siyang matuyo pagka-apply mo sa face, kaya maganda siyang gamitin. These two products are perfect combination, so buy na!